Alright, alright. Hey everybody, it's Wind.Road.Therapy. Welcome back to my channel. You know, just a little bit of wind, a little bit of road, a little bit of therapy. Oh, we got those dark clouds up there. Oh, I hope it doesn't rain. We're on Spearfish Canyon. Yep, we're on 385. We just passed 44, which is Rim Rock Scenic Byway, aka 44. And 44 will take you all the way to Badlands. It'll take you to just behind the visitor center. We're going to turn off here, so we're not going to go all the way up Spearfish Canyon. But isn't this just delicious? Lead to the left. So that's part of the ski slope. And Deadwood to the right. There's the Deadwood, the infamous Deadwood sign. Deadwood, resting place of Wild Bill Hickok.
Continue on US 85 north for 8 miles.
So lots of bighorn sheep around here. Right now we are on 85 north.
U-turn, then turn right onto US 85 south. You've arrived.
I love it, I love it. I love it. I love it. Hi. Oh.
The reason why I shine, you're the reason why I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Thirsty Pony, a Beaver Bar, Steel Pony. The chip is right there. Okay. '79 north. And I would believe that's Butte State Park. Yep, Butte State Park. Oh, wow. Huh. It's like a whole little town out here. So they have cabins, they have RV sites, concert venue, the big statues. That one is iconic, right? That's like Burning Man, Burning Bike, right? No, Burning Bike. Yeah. When we at Daytona, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. Even Knievel. Right there. Very nice. Little stunt riding right there. We got somebody filming here. Sorry, dudes. And there's the iconic cowboy. Oh, this is awesome. Wow, with Bear Butte in the background. That's pretty fantastic. Yeah, I had to walk. Hey everybody, it's Wind.Road.Therapy. I had to walk away from my own bike because my neighbor was playing music, and you know how that goes with music and YouTube, right? Isn't that cool? I went live earlier, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And you can see that there's the burning biker, right? Like Burning Man when we did in DeLand, Florida, right? And then this here is Indian Larry. And allegedly that is how he passed away, doing that exact stunt. And then that right there is Arlen Ness. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? Cool. I don't want to get run over by the Jeep. Thank you so much. Huh. And then that statue over there is Evil Knievel. Yes, not her, but him. That's Evil Knievel. So we are, look at that. Full Throttle HOG. Excuse me. I'm here with Full Throttle HOG. Huh. We're at Full Throttle Saloon. They're even coming in trucks. Not even motorcycles, but they're coming in trucks. Look at all the bikes. It's not rally time. Rally is in 2 days. Official kickoff. Okay? Trucks. So there's Arlen Ness. And there is Evil Knievel. Get it, girl. Heritage. Wow. How cool is that? How cool is that? That's Indian Larry. Now, I worked in Brooklyn, so I know all about Indian Larry. And, sorry. Pretty cool, right? Now, this isn't the original Full Throttle Saloon. The first one burned down. And there used to be a Discovery or, I don't know, Discovery Channel program about Full Throttle. So this is Evil Knievel. Isn't that cool? And look, Harley Fat Boy Jr., this Eagle Rider. Just saying. So, and behind us we have Bear Butte Mountain, right? That is Bear Butte State Park. So, and the Full Throttle Saloon. Some people on the dog cart. Moonshine Distillery, Bear Butte Mountain. These statues are very well done. Alright, I've never been here before. Today was my first day. Darryl brought me here. Thank you so much, Darryl. We met with Ryan, Full Throttle HOG, and we just became sponges because that man is full of information. Now, here we go. There's voice right there. Talking to them. I'm a fangirl of both of them. 100%. So, let me show you the burning bike again. And then there's one more statue, but I forget who it is. There's the burning. You guys see that? And then, look, there's
more statue right there. This place is something else for sure. It's not even rally time. And just James Dupree was here filming. Saw him. There we go. Isn't that something? Oh, look at this guy right here in front of us. That's pretty cool. There we go. Alright. So from Full Throttle Saloon, wear my Tolleson Life t-shirt, hanging out with Tolleson Life. Miss you, Clay. Catch you on the next one, right? Today's Wednesday. Rally starts on Friday. We're having a meetup. Can't wait for the meetup. There we go. I do with some pictures. So I will probably see you at the meetup. We'll see. Talk to you soon. Peace.
Woo, baby. Haha. Darryl starting some stuff tonight. He wanted to know. Oh, there's Eva. He wanted to know if my motor was running because, you know, the Kawasaki. Woo! Darryl starting some stuff. I love it. I love it. All right, goodbye, Full Throttle Saloon. Yes, look at Bear Butte Mountain. Look how pretty. I love the rolling hills. 100%. I love it. I love it. Fantastic. I love it. Bro, that's original. I've never seen a stop sign in the middle of the street.